Apple has announced a significant expansion of its U.S. investments, adding $100 billion to its existing plans, amid mounting pressure from President Donald Trump to shift its supply chain to the United States, according to NBC News. Appearing at the White House on Wednesday alongside Apple CEO Tim Cook, President Trump told reporters that his administration plans to impose a 100% tariff on imported semiconductors and chips, though companies manufacturing domestically would be exempt. These tariffs could impact a wide range of Apple products, including iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks. Cook commits to U.S. manufacturing. "I'm glad to be here with you today," Cook said during the event. "We're committing an additional $100 billion to the United States." He noted that Apple has signed new production agreements with 10 U.S.-based companies and reiterated a July pledge to purchase American-made rare earth magnets. One of the highlights of Apple's expanded investment is the decision to manufacture all iPhone and Apple Watch glass covers in the U.S. glassmaker Corning as part of a $2.5 billion agreement. We'll produce these components at its Harrodsburg, Kentucky facility. Trump called it the largest and most sophisticated smart glass production line in the world. Corning will reportedly retool all facilities to support Apple production needs, increasing its Kentucky workforce by 50%. Apple emphasized that this move is part of a broader $600 billion effort to relocate parts of its supply chain to U.S., up from a previously announced $500 billion over 4 years. Supplier investments in data centers. In addition to Corning's expansion, Apple supplier Applied Materials will invest $200 million in a new Arizona plant to build chip manufacturing equipment. Texas Instruments, another Apple supplier, will use this equipment to produce semiconductors for Apple devices. Trump also announced that Apple would construct a 250,000 square foot server manufacturing facility in Houston, expected to open in 2026. The company also plans multi-billion-dollar investments in data centers across North Carolina, Iowa, and Oregon. Final assembly still abroad. Despite these announcements, NBC noted that the final assembly of major Apple products, including the iPhone, remains overseas. Cook stated that, for now, final assembly would not take place in the U.S., although many components are already domestically produced. Most iPhones are currently assembled in China and India. While many of Apple's best-selling products are still exempt from tariffs, the Department of Commerce is conducting a Section 232 investigation into the national security implications of importing such components. Even with exemptions in place, Apple reported an $800 million loss last quarter and projects a further $1.5 billion loss in the coming quarter. In April, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick warned that the current tariff exemptions on smartphones, computers, and chips are only temporary.